Hi everybody, welcome back to our Sunday school. We're going to show you here today on this hood right here. We're going to prep this hood right here. First, we're going to wash it. All right, so you guys see right here, this right here is tree sap. This right here is about a week old.
Today I'm featuring orange degreaser, and right here I'm going to teach you how to get rid of tree sap easily and effortlessly. First, what you want to do here is drench your towel and easily agitate side by side. And just like that, tree sap has been removed.
So now that Beatrice finished taking off the tree sap, now I'm ready to paint correct the hood. What I'm gonna use right now is Pt.1. All right, so now we're getting ready to do a ceramic coating. These right here are two of the ceramic coatings that we offer right here at 3D. All right, everybody, thank you for joining us. You guys already seen everything that I did. I washed the car. Beatrice took out the tree sap on there. I did a paint correction. And the last part, what I did, I applied ceramic coating. The ceramic 3D ceramic coating and ceramic coating graphene infused. And then what I'm gonna show you next, tomorrow or next Sunday, is gonna be the water beading and the reaction of it. Stay tuned. You guys take care.